Hello everyone, today I am going to make a video on free fall graphs and conceptual questions. Let's start. A stone is dropped from a cliff at time t equals to 0 and strikes the ground below. It is dropped from a cliff, and which of the following graphs best shows the velocity v of the stone after it is dropped? So its velocity was 0 at that time, so it's only option. It was positive then negative, so it's not an option. Let's check. Correct. James throws a baseball straight upward. We can ignore air resistance. What is true about acceleration and velocity of the ball on its way down? So when, let's say, this is a baseball and we are throwing it upward, and then its acceleration is negative 9.8 meter per second, so it will remain constant because gravity's acceleration remains constant because it's approximately negative 9.8. so these are not, let's rule them out, and we are left with two options, B and D. And let's say B says, let's see what B says. B says acceleration remains constant and velocity is negative and decreasing. When it's on its way down, so it's starting to fall down, its velocity is decreasing and its acceleration is also, it's helping it to decrease more. It's negative and also decreasing, and we are okay with this. And let's see D. Acceleration remains constant and velocity is negative and increasing. Increasing is not an option in this because increasing only applies to when it's going upwards and downwards is negative. So this is a convention when you are solving these type of problems. So it's not increasing, it's decreasing because of the gravity, so our only option is B. So let's check. Correct. Julia tosses a water balloon straight up at a time of t equals to 0. Tosses a water balloon straight up. Which of the following graphs best shows the velocity v of the water balloon after it is tossed? So first we make it go positive, and then after it is tossed, then it goes down like this. So first it is positive, then it is negative. So positive, then negative, and acceleration remains constant. So let's check. Correct. Mary throws a baseball straight upwards. Let's say this is the baseball and we throw it straight upwards. We can ignore air resistance. What is true about acceleration and velocity of the ball on the way down? So on the way down, when it's coming down, its acceleration remains constant because of the gravity. So remains constant, and this is not an option because it's saying decreases. This is also not an option because it's also saying decreases. So we are only left with C and A. Acceleration remains constant and velocity increases. And velocity increases. When we are going down, the velocity does not increase. So this is not an option as well. Let's see the C part because we are only left with this. Acceleration remains constant and velocity decreases. Acceleration remains constant is correct, and velocity decreases is also correct because we are decreasing here. So this is the correct option. Correct.